Teakdecking Systems Composite Decking is engineered to be exceptionally strong and built to withstand years of demanding use. But even the toughest decking can occasionally be damaged by dropped tools, heavy equipment, or accidental impacts. The good news is that many of these types of damages can be repaired. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete repair process, step by step. Whether you have a small gouge, chip, or deep scratches, this simple process will help restore your deck and keep it looking its best. Step 1. Start by inspecting the damaged area. Check the severity of the damage and whether the surrounding decking remains stable. Before you begin the repair, gather your tools and materials: razor knife, small digital scale, mixing cups, stir sticks,
blue painter's tape,
composite repair compound Part A, composite repair compound Part B,
heat gun, TDS composite sealer, and some clean rags.
We also recommend using protective gloves and safety glasses.
Once you've got everything ready, you'll be set to prepare the area. Step 2. Use a razor knife to remove any loose or damaged portions of the repair area.
Use the blue painter's tape to protect the surrounding areas.
Next, thoroughly clean the repair area with acetone to remove dirt, dust, grease, and oil. Allow the acetone to evaporate completely before proceeding. Step 3. Read the mixing ratios and instructions for the specific deck product. Mix Part A and Part B according to the recommended ratio using a digital scale, mixing cup, and stir stick. Mix thoroughly for at least 90 seconds. Step 4. Apply the repair compound slightly above the surrounding deck level. Lightly warm the repair with a heat gun on a low setting to release trapped air bubbles. Allow the repair to cure completely before sanding.
Step 5.
Once cured, sand the repair with 24 to 36 grit sandpaper, blending it with the surrounding deck and following the grain pattern. Apply Teakdecking Systems Composite Sealer to the repaired area. That's it. Your Teakdecking Systems Composite Deck is repaired and ready for service. Regular cleaning and inspections will help keep your decking looking great for years to come. If you have any questions or need replacement materials, contact Teakdecking Systems or your authorized distributor.